Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. In other words, Samsung is yet to officially confirm the arrival of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but if we were to guess, we'd expect this foldable to arrive sometime in August. Samsung is likely to unveil both the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 together at an unpacked event before the end of this year. Expect the phone to go on pre-orders shortly after the announcement, and open sales to begin about 2 to 3 weeks from the launch event, although this will vary by region. As for the pricing, we expect the company to retain the same $999 price tag for the Galaxy Z Flip 4 too. Reducing the Galaxy Z Flip 3's price allowed it to go mainstream, but we don't expect them to reduce it further. If the Galaxy Z Flip 4 fixes some of the issues we had with its predecessor, then it would make it easier for us to recommend it, even at the same price. We'd also like to point out that Samsung might drop the letter Z from its branding like it already has in some European nations. We hope it does, as it would make it a lot easier for everyone to identify these phones. We'll keep an eye on the updates regarding a potential change in branding and update this space with more info once get some clarity on it. We'll update this space with a fully fleshed out specification table once we have confirmation on the specs for the Galaxy Z Flip 4. But if the leaks and rumors are something to go by, it looks like Samsung will turn to the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset for this new foldable. Not only will it make the Z Flip 4 a solid improvement over the Snapdragon 888 powered Galaxy Z Flip 3, but it would also make it better than many other 2022 flagship phones that are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC is based on TSMC's 4nm process. It offers a lot of improvements over the predecessor, including power efficiency. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is also expected to have at least 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 topped out at 256GB storage, and it remains to be seen if that'll be the case with the new phone too. We don't expect to see the microSD card slot making a return, which means you'll have to be wary of the storage configuration you pick for your device. That, however, has been the case for almost all the flagship devices on the market, so it's not necessarily an issue that's exclusive to the Galaxy Z Flip series. The design of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 was largely the same as the first Galaxy Flip and the Flip 5G that came out before it, and if the rumors are to be believed, then the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 is expected to retain the same design. That's not necessarily a bad thing, because the Galaxy Z Flip phones have all made a strong style statement with their unique form factor. As such, the Z Flip 4 is also expected to turn a large phone into something that fits easier in your pocket or purse. Well, that is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.